Hey guys, it's Ben from Myers Woodshop, and if you're ever looking for something better than the miter station that you have, take a look at this Bora Portamate miter station. We're going to open it up and I'll show you what it's all about. So here's the parts to the Bora Portamate. We have the two wings that'll come up. We have the handle, the table, the miter saw will attach to this, or actually whatever tool you want, but I'm going to do a miter saw. It flips over. On the other side to be a table, the front and back bracings, all the hardware, the two wheels, and something that I'm not sure of yet, but let's check it out. So here is the Bora Portamate in all of its glory. Open wide, you can see my wingspan. It's very big. You have a lot of workspace. You can do some serious miter sawing on this. It was a little, took some finagling to get things straight and square, especially the handle going up and down. The squareness is kind of off. Once the saw's on there and you move it around and flip it around, things kind of fall into place themselves, square itself off, and now it's really easy to get off. If you do not have a sliding miter saw, this is going to be amazing for you. It's made for non-sliders. I have a slider, it's a 12-inch. It is huge. It pushes this thing to the brink, but it does fit and it does spin around. It's just a little bit harder. The arms are perfect. They're nice and wide. This is as far back to the wall as I can go with my miter saw. So I do lose about ½ an inch of this arm width, but that's perfectly okay. That is way wider than the Dewalt stand I was. Really easy to push down. You push these orange tabs on the sides. They fall down in. They're exactly the same thing on the other side. It's mirrored. So you just push the tabs in. That one was a little easier. Then we have these aluminum plates. We push in. You gotta kind of pull it up to dislodge that mounting spot. Folds down in itself. Same thing on the other side. Pull up. It comes out. They fold into each other. Locks up. Disengage, we just lift up these two locks right here. It's a bit snug, so I'm going to force it in. I like to hold the miter saw, make it go around slowly. And once it gets to the other side, you just re-engage the locks. It locks up these plastic clips that hold it in place when you're lined up. I disengage this arm so I can slide it in. Now with the slider, you can see I'm poking out a little bit in the front, but that's a whole lot better than I have a workspace in front. And it really doesn't bother me too much. If you have a non-slider, that's a non-issue for you. But look at all this workspace that I'm going to have added to my shop, especially great when you have a small shop like mine, and every workspace you have, countertop space, is a bonus. I can sit another tool on top, pull that off, flip it over, make my miter cuts. Plenty of room, really solid construction. To get mobile, all we have to do is unlock the back two lock knobs. I put my foot on the bottom brace and I pull up until the handle's locked in place. And it's very simple to move around. It is very heavy, but when it's on wheels with a handle, that is meaningless because all the weight is on the wheels and you don't even feel it. Now you can just move it to wherever you're going to go. You're not going to lift this up one man. There's no way. It will at least take two, probably three. If you're going to lift it up and move it and you don't have a ramp to your trailer or something like that, I do not recommend this. This is more of a stationary, but moving around on the job site or in your shop. I will probably just be moving it from inside to outside, and I have a ramp to go outside, so that makes it really easy. To get these back down, you just loosen these, push the locking pins in, and push it down, and there you are. lift this up into the back of a truck or a trailer, it's not going to happen. This is really heavy, especially with a 12-inch slider on it. But if you're rolling it around and everywhere is going to be on a flat surface, in and out a job site or on ramps, or your trailer has a ramp, this is amazing. For a really small shop like mine, this thing is really nice. There were a little bit of quirks getting it square and straight. Getting the handle to go in and out smoothly took me about 10 times. I scraped off a little bit of paint, but that's again because this was kind of off center. Again, the more you use it, the more centered it is, and now the handle goes up and down really easy for me. These little handles on this side kind of sticks up a bit. That's because I believe probably in shipping some of this got dented. There is a little bit of a bend, but I don't fault Bora for that. I kind of fault the shipping process. Other than that, it's been a flawless machine so far. It helped me cut stuff really well. It was really level, easy to adjust these to the height of your miter saw, and it will accommodate most every miter saw out there. If you're looking for a really good miter saw stand, something that adds portability yet gives you more space in your shop, the Bora Portamate is probably something you should look into. You can find out more about the Bora Portamate down below in the description. I'll put some links to it. And if you're interested in the miter saw, I'll also put that down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and let me know your thoughts about this video, and I'll see you next time. Really easy to put down. Just push the yellow tabs on the sides, and then, okay. Really easy to fold up, push the yellow tabs in here. We'll give a push there, push the yellow tab here, give a push there.